After camping at Ian and Marina's goat farm, they took us to one of their favorite local hiking spots, Fern Canyon. A sign at the entrance recommends all-wheel drive, but for some reason we took the Blue Doobie all the way instead of hopping in their Vanagon. Good thing we're not a Mustang.
Worst videography ever.
This one. Don't even get wet on this one.
Need to go pee? Yeah, that's what Marina was saying.
Oh, I forgot.
Whoops!
Second time
Sandal hiking.
Second time today.
I forgot I had a client.
Once we got to the trailhead, we met Charlie and Nicole, a couple that lives in a 35-foot self-converted school bus. They had to leave their bus on the side of the road and hitch a ride with a second Vanagon couple, so we all went on the hike together. We're driving the scenic byway from Redwood National Park to the border between California and Oregon. Today is our last day in California and it already looks like a rainforest. It's beautiful out here.
He's gaining.
A few days later, a heat wave started. It was impossible for us to find any campsites or boondocking spots, and it seemed as if the entire state of Oregon suddenly rushed to camp by the coast. We eventually gave up on our search, decided to go get a cold beer, and as we were pulling into the local brewery, we ran into the school bus. I think our friendship with this incredible couple was meant to be, and life made us cross paths once again. Second day camping with the guys from Outback schoolie, Charlie and Nicole. Now we're packing up, filling up with tanks and everything, and we'll go on a hike. Kentucky Falls, then to the beach, and then we continue driving up the coast of Oregon. You can get Charlie filling up the tank there. You get me filling up the tank.
I did the plumbing ourselves, so when I fill up the tank we're going to do a couple little adjustments so we don't waste that much water. But yeah, hey.
They have these super cool foldy chairs, look. And it becomes that. And it folds up into these tiny little packages. Amazing. This was our camp spot for the weekend. We fit the big bus and the little bus.
Ready? Good here. What else do we need?
Water and snacks, always.
Always.
That's better. Sparkly. No, they're putting them back. What's better? Can't see. What else?
Go.
Hey guys, welcome to the Outback Schoolie. Come check it out. Come on in. Alright, let me give you a little tour. So we're at the driver's seat area. That's where the magic happens. The miles on. Come on over here on the left. This is our dining table. Also my wife's office. So this table actually goes down to a little bed. You can fit maybe a little short person there. We have on the right here is our lounge room. So this is our couch. This actually extends, comes out to a double bed. Ton of storage underneath there as well. Leaning over here is our kitchen. So we went with the L-shaped kitchen so we could chop, clean and cook. We got a fridge and freezer. Pretty big fridge and freezer. Keep all our veggies and stuff in there. Upper cabinets as well. Lots of storage space. Come on in. As we get in the corridor, we have our heater. This is a cubic stove that we got from Canada. It actually feeds it some wood, heats up the entire bus. This is a thermal fan, so this will blow it whichever way we want to go. We love it. It's pretty cool, pretty cozy. It fits. This little storage area. We put all our wood inside here. Exit door. Plenty of things that we want to do on the outside of the bus, and that's one of it. We want to kind of put a deck over there. But come on in. Further down the hallway, we have our bedroom. So this is our bedroom. This is my desk. So this folds up, a little desk over here. We have underneath our bed is a 100-gallon water tank, so we can live off grid. Probably lasts us 3 weeks. 100-gallon water tank, ton of storage under here. We've got a washer and dryer combo. We just chuck the clothes in there, washes, dryers, does all its things. Really, really cool. Above here, we've got 2 skylights, custom-made skylights. We've got 1,050 watts of solar above here that will keep the bus running with electricity as long as the sun's out. That's our electric system with 400 amps of battery power inverter. So yeah, so the magic happens in my favorite area. We've got a closet space in here as well, walk-in closet, and as right behind you is our bathroom, which we tiled. Really happy about it. So this is our bathroom. It's a full bath, shower, stand-up shower, a little sunroof there. Sink and we got a compost toilet, Nature's Head compost toilet. We just put a sign up there as well. I don't know if you saw the sign.
How cute.
Yeah, and then walking back down, we've got our curtains. So this is insulated 3 times. So we can either roll it up fully, as you'll see, or we can just roll it up. Just keep the white there. Our auntie actually made these, and we're really happy about it. So yeah, and we have a kitty which was hiding and you didn't see it, and we have her little box and little area as well. So yeah, that's our school bus. And thanks for coming. Check it out, Claire.
Yeah, of course. Thank you. Bye, Nicole.
Bye, guys. Thanks for coming.
All right, mate.
Are you ready?
Yes. Are you coming with me?
No.
Okay.
And?
It's so cold. It's colder than yesterday, but I love it. I went again. When I was coming out, a dog brought me a ball and I threw it at him. I don't know if you saw it.
I saw that. That was so cute.
Are
Brains.
you going? I think you should go.
Yeah, I will.